Stop scrolling. This 3D cartoon style dancing video taking over Instagram. These videos are getting crazy rich right now. And here is the best part, you can create your own video like this. Just follow some simple steps. In this video, I will show you step by step process how you can create your own video like this. Step 1, you can take any picture. I can use this image. You can create this on your phone for better visibility. I will show you on laptop screen. Step 2, go to ChatGPT and upload your image and simply write, turn this image into 3D picture style. Within some seconds, you get your 3D picture image. Now download this image. Step 3, for reference video, go to YouTube and select any dance video for your character and download the video. Step 4, now go to Kling AI and obviously you sign in on the website and tap on the video and tap on motion controller. Now upload your video which you download from YouTube, and here is the one pro tip. You upload your 10 to 12 second video. After that, wait some time and upload your character which you download from ChatGPT, and then tap on generate. Wait some time and you got your video. If this video helped you even little, please hit the like button and subscribe for more design like this.